So you see how they dress, you can tell. Maybe I can withdraw from the phone or something. I think there's a place there. M-Pesa. Let me withdraw from the phone, sweetie, right? I like that place there. I withdraw. Sure. No, I'm telling you, there's one up there. Well, let me go and use the phone then. Come. Watch your step, watch your step. This place where it says M-Pesa. Tigope. It's not the same thing, sweetie. Yeah, family, so we get Tanzania, Zanzibar and Tanzania. So that's it for me. My souvenirs. You give me the bag now, I can skip it. Yeah, Sweet, what we'll do, we'll just walk up and go to the Upster ATM. Right? It's not far, we could have seen from where I stand. Oh. Yeah. That one is very nice. Yeah. That one, that yellow one. Yeah, it's everything. You can't see through this Muslim thing, you know. This Muslim thing. Okay, no.
Ofa. Karibuni dukani kwetu tunapunguza bei ya kanga kubwa kwa jumla na rejareja. Karibuni nyote. Ofa. Karibuni dukani kwetu tunapunguza bei ya kanga kubwa kwa jumla na rejareja. Karibuni nyote. Ofa. Karibuni dukani kwetu tunapunguza bei ya kanga kubwa kwa jumla na rejareja. Karibuni nyote. Ofa.
Even this one right here.
She's selling 18,000.
18,000.
Ofa. Karibuni dukani kwetu tunapunguza bei ya kanga kubwa kwa jumla na rejareja. Karibuni nyote.
How much you have there? Let me check and see. I have to go with this one.
Karibuni dukani kwetu tunapunguza bei ya kanga kubwa kwa jumla na rejareja. Karibuni nyote. Ofa. Karibuni dukani kwetu tunapunguza bei ya kanga kubwa kwa jumla na rejareja.
Yeah, family, so I fall in love with this shirt. Yeah, even this one is nice.
Yeah.
This one. I like this one. Yeah, this one is nice. Wow. I like the neck. I like how the neck is.
Maybe you can try it. It doesn't look big.
You can this one. No, that's the pants.
I try. Hata naweza tuva juu ya hii.
See, how much you must find?
Shilingi 27, si utanifanyia discount. Tuongea tutako sana. I'm telling you, we will talk.
You accept card? So we're actually in Tanzania, walking through the market, and we find some clothes made in India. It's actually the first time I'm seeing clothes made in India, and I'm impressed by the quality of the clothes. I'm so impressed, and so I'm gonna actually buy a few shirts, clothes that made in India. So everything here is made in India?
Yeah, I'm seeing that. Look at it.
Yeah. What about the pants? The pants are very small for me. Look at this pants for Amish, sweetie. Yeah? Yeah, look at this pants for Amish.
Wow. Banana. Wow. It's nice.
Family, so we're back from shopping and stuff, and we have some clothes for Amesh, Tanzania clothes. And what I really like about Tanzania is that you can get clothes you can get. In Kenya, it's hard to find clothes and stuff. And these are like quality clothes, quite nice.
Wish I could get a black jean.
A black jeans. I'm sure you'll get it too. You can find it.
I can look for one tomorrow.
Yeah.
I probably be enough.
So this is a long sleeve or a short sleeve?
It's a long sleeve, but you can do it short sleeve. It looks
Let's
like
see
a
if
nice outfit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like this. Maybe they are sweet, nice clothes.
Yeah.
Nice quality.
So what else you have inside the bag?
Just dera. And maybe your jeans.
Let me see the dera them. So what else you like about Tanzania now?
I just love the clothes, the people, and the country generally.
Yeah.
Got yourself a nice pants.
Yeah. I like it.
Got yourself nice jeans.
Okay. And then that's that one. Yeah, the jeans in Kenya is very thin. These are like thick quality jeans, as you can see. Quality. And how you know a jeans is good jeans is when the zip is like button. That's something you need to, once you buy jeans and it has a button, it's a very good quality. Where is it made? Where it made?
Pakistan.
Pakistan, yeah. Anything that come from Pakistan, India, and so forth is always good quality. Not China.
China. Imagine even Ramesh can't find those that he made in what?
Where these clothes made?
India.
India. Okay,
If I
so
can
clothes
get-
made from India is very good.
Outfits of him like this.
Yeah, and he's like, if you get like 5 shirts and stuff, you know what I
Not
mean?
expensive. I think I'll go back to the same place
Mm.
and get a few shirts, big size that he'll put on for some time.
Mm-hmm.
It'll be good to go.
Yeah.
I get a jeans and they were so cheap.
Yeah, how much was it?
20 each.
Like 10 US.
Actually, yeah.
10 US
10
each.
US each. I know it sounds expensive, like at 10 US for this shirt, but I don't think it's expensive because, the quality is very nice.
Mm.
Quality is so good.
Yeah.
Made in India. Very nice.
And a shirt for this in Max would be like how much? Maybe 3,000.
Maybe 3,000.
2,000
A
thereabout.
jeans 3,000.
Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Let me see what the dera them look like now.
Dera. This for my mom. This for our house manager.
Dera. This is for you, Dera. Yeah, family, and we also get some, you guys never eat lychee Guinea before? Lychee. It's the first time you're eating lychee, sweetie. It's like an uptown fruit in Jamaica. This is uptown fruit.
Still uptown.
In your mouth?
I'm still uptown.
Okay, it'll be maybe uptown Jamaica. Uptown Jamaica, born and raised. You want to try it?
Not really. I said I do.
Yeah, family, is it white like this? Wow. So sweet. There's a lot in Tanzania. And maybe the reason for it is because it's in the tropics. It's in Jamaica too. Very expensive in Jamaica. So family, let me know in the comment box if you see lychee Guinea in Jamaica and the price. Look, lychee Guinea. Let me know the price for lychee Guinea. And as you can see here, family, you have some grapes, fresh grapes.
7 in Kiswahili.
Huh?
7 in Kiswahili.
7.
You 7 in Kiswahili. What are they called?
What is it again?
Zabibu.
Jabibo. Zabibo.
Oh, zabibo. Zabibu.
Zabibu.
Yeah.
The fresh grape is Zabibo.
Zabibu.
Zabibu. Hey family, and we have some coconut water here. This is how we're going to sign out for tonight. For the day. It was a good day. It's a good shopping day, not true?
Nice.
Very good shopping there. Enjoy it. What I like with this light chicken seed, the seed is not bitter, it's very sweet. You just throw up the seed like this.
Oh. You chew even the seed? I didn't know.
Very nice. Just throw up the seed like yeah, family. So let me know your thoughts about today's videos. Shopping review video. So what else you like about Tanzania?
Said everything.
You said everything? Okay. Alright guys, so like, share and subscribe to the video. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. I tell you guys about the bag. I will also get this bag and I like it. So like, share and comment. We are out.